Pretty hard too.
Yeah, the ground is wet.
But hey, we're in the water. It's raining. What's the difference, right?
Right.
No, big difference. My wife said it was raining.
How you know?
That girl.
Mama says it's a big difference.
Not in the water.
Oh, not to bring no umbrella. Ella.
Actually, this girl I co-work with, her brother finally got in contact.
On our way to go snorkeling. So Uncle Chris in the front. That's Uncle Gerald, the designated driver, putting on his super cool prescription shades. It's my mommy with the profile. There she goes. Let me keep for the camera. There's the major rock star in the back with his too cool for school shades on. And there's Kiki. Stop. Is he in there? I gotta reach out. Oh, he ain't even looking. Alright.
Number 3 with the Daryl and Gerald edition glasses on.
Dusty and Goldie. Wait, let me zoom.
The Daryl and Gerald.
Gerald. Glasses.
My national anthem.
Oh Lord, this national anthem. There's many shops for us. ABC stores. Those are everywhere, more than 7-Eleven. Our tour guide told us that ABC stands for always bring cash.
Is that what that says?
Always bring cash.
That's good for already being chewed.
ABC gum.
Everybody's out.
Oh, look at this. Naked people.
Today that
Check out the people. This is Waikiki Beach outside the Marriott.
Dang, man, what was he doing?
There's a whole bunch of girls.
Everybody's out there today.
The guys are pleased now with the women they were not before. They were not pleased. It's the park.
Wow. Oh, it's not raining anymore.
The rain is over. It rained all of 30 seconds. And yes, as you see, the ground is back dry.
If we back up, it'll rain again. It's almost good.
Okay, and that is enough. Until we get to our destination, Hanamo. Okay.